Hello friends, hope all is well with you and your family. In today's video, I'm going to explain you another traditional ancient handmade product called as Thanjavur Talayatti Bommai. It's Thanjavur dancing dolls. So in this video, I will explain you a little bit of history about the Thanjavur dancing dolls and how it's made, and also very importantly a little bit of science behind this product. And yeah, so without any further delays, let's get into the video. Welcome to Grocery Bay. These dolls are, in Tamil they are called, like I said, Thanjavur Talayatti Bommai. In English it means bobble head dolls or head shaking dolls. These are called Thanjavur Bommais because these are made from the place called Thanjavur. Thanjavur is a heritage city in southern part of Tamil Nadu, and Thanjavur is known for its diverse culture, history, and and it's been a place for the biggest empires as well, including the great Cholas and the Rajaraja Cholan in particular. Probably you would have heard about the Thanjavur Periya Koil. It's also called as Great Temple, the Great Brahadisvara Temple. So this is a quick highlights about Thanjavur. If you want to talk about Thanjavur, we have to make a separate big videos. But anyways, let's talk about the dolls here. It's an ancient art of 19th century during Saraboji's kingdom. And if you visit Thanjavur, and this is a must buy, and this is the souvenir you need to get with you when you get home. These dolls are made of the mixture of terracotta, clay, and paper, and even sago. It depends, And the clay is from the banks of the river Kaveri. It's a river by which the Thanjavur is situated. And as you can see, these dolls, multiple colors, shapes, and these are all represents the various the cultural parts of different dances like Kathakali, Manipuri dancing, and Bharatanatyam, like that. So these days we have multiple designs and varieties of Thanjavur dolls. The science behind these dolls is the overall weight of the product is maintained at the bottommost part of the dolls. So the center of gravity lies in the bottommost part of the doll. So even when the dolls oscillates, and it will never fall back, and it will come back to the center position after oscillating. It is really, really surprising to think how the people and the artisans at the 19th century have given so much thoughts about this science, and came up with making these fantastic and beautiful dolls. And to compare this with the modern day science and some of the everyday things that we see in our life, take for example the racing cars. The racing cars, they are heavy at the bottom, and the ground clearance is so it's very close to the ground, and they are heavy at the bottom, and they are wider at the bottom as well. That is why when it goes at the rocket speed, and they never fall down or the divert. And similarly, if you look at the transport and the long haul buses, and where exactly they place the luggages, they place it at the bottom half of the bus. And another example is, if you look at the double-decker buses, they always make sure the weight at the second deck is always lesser than the weight at the very first deck. And the other real simple examples that I can give you is our the ground standing fans and table fans, and even the bedside lamps. They've got a very strong base. That is just to make sure they don't fall out. These dolls are also recognized as a geographical indication, shortly called as GI tag, by the government of India as part of 2008 and 2009. What exactly the GI tag means is, they identify some of these great arts from a region, and they give the recognition as a GI tag. There are so many items that are part of these GI tags. Let me give you a few examples. Aranmula Kannadi from Kerala, Dokra from Chhattisgarh, Channapatna toys from Karnataka, Kondapalli toys from Andhra Pradesh, Bidriware from Karnataka, Thanjavur dolls from Tamil Nadu, Nirmal toys from Telangana, Kurja pottery from Uttar Pradesh, Kathputli from Rajasthan, cane and bamboo crafts from Assam. There is a big list. Probably we will make another video by explaining what are all the products that has currently got the the GI tags. Normally these Tanjavur dolls, the dancing dolls, are very popular and in high demand during Navaratri season because they represent a Hindu heritage and traditions, and they use in Tanjavur Golus. And these are made by the families in Tanjavur. They have been making these as part of their family art from generations and generations. But sadly, at the moment, because of lots of plastic toys and the machine-made toys, and these are getting unpopular. So I am doing my best to bring all these traditions and ancient products into back in real life. Let me just quickly show you, the dolls I've got at the moment. And this is the Bharatanatyam doll. It represents the art of dance Bharatanatyam. So this is a two-piece doll, and it's got just the body section and the head section. Only the head will dance in this doll. And if you can see here, it's got a fantastic, beautiful stone-based earring, and also I got it on the hair as well. This is so lively, in fact. And this is another dance form called Manipuri. And this doll has got 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this doll, the whole body can shake. And this is one of my personal favorites. And in Tamil it's called as Mailatam. Mail means peacock, so peacock dance, because it's got the dress that represents peacock. And this is again 4-piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the best part of it. And it's got a beautiful jimmicky called earring. This is so lovely. Yeah. And these are all dancing women and of multiple sizes. And these are again 4-piece, 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are all same with the different colors. This particular pair, this is called as Rajarani in Tamil. That means king and queen, Mr. King and Miss Queen. And this is again 4-part. They can dance as well. And this is called as Kurati. Kurati means a tribal woman. This is again a 4-piece one. This is just a boy, a cute little boy. Only the head dances. And this is called as Monkey Man. This is 3-piece. Body piece and middle and the head. All the details about how to purchase these products and the products height, width, everything has been given in our website, and the product links and the website links are given in the description section. And also our Indian contact details is also given in the description section. If you want to purchase this in India, you can contact the given contact in the description section. And also another main important point I wanted to let you know is, probably you might think in Australia these toys are quite expensive, and when we ship it overseas, the main reason is because because these are extremely super fragile, so we need to make sure they are properly packed. And another main thing is, and regardless of whatever the efforts we put in towards the packing and handling and all that, the damages are almost unavoidable. Say for example, if we get 10 dolls from India, from Tanjavur and all the way to Sydney, and minimum 3 to 4 dolls are broken by somehow. Say for example, if I take this one, even if there is any tiny scratch or it's a break, any damage of the hand, I can't sell them, and we need to, unfortunately we have to dispose them. That is why the products, when sold overseas, they are a bit expensive. And let me quickly show you how to set it up. And when you receive this, you will be receiving this like a multiple parts like this. So the bottom, like I was talking in the science section, the bottom will be a little bit heavier than the the top ones. So the main thing is, so you got a hook here, and have a look at the inside. So you have to set it up like this. And make sure you set it up properly, and then So this part is done, and now repeat the same for the head section. Yeah. So this is how we set it up. Let me show you again. You have to really make sure this one goes exactly into here. Like a perfect perpendicular meeting. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please let me know if I missed something to add in the comment section, and I will do my best to convey all the information regarding these dolls and the other there's a lot more products that I want to showcase it to you. And if you like this video and our content, so please share it with your friends and on the network. And like I said, without the support from the community, we can't go any further. And I will see you soon with another set of interesting videos. Until then, thank you so much and enjoy your festival season.